Al-Hajj ma'a Rasulillah, Al-Hajj ma'a Rasulillah. If that announcement was put out that you could do Hajj with the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, what would you do to get to Medina just to be in his caravan? It was a journey like no other, but there was so much in the lead up to it. Growing up in Mecca and seeing the home built by his father Ibrahim alayhi salam desecrated by all that he abhorred, then being driven out of Mecca along with his companions and made into refugees. Then the dream of returning years later only to be disappointed and turned back in Hudaybiyah. Then the victory in the conquest of Mecca, which the Prophet ﷺ refused to turn into a day of vengeance. Then the joy of being with him and tens of thousands of companions in Umrah, in Arafah, and just riding along the way.